In 1988, Rudy Pahio was a US Navy cameraman, part of the Combat Camera Group, which had been deployed to document a huge US naval operation in the Persian Gulf.
The mood in the Gulf was very tense. Iran, Iraq were in the middle of a war at the time, and the US Navy was protecting the oil tankers that came out of Kuwait to make sure the flow of oil kept coming to the United States. And the Iranians were harassing those ships, the fog hammer speedboats that the Iranians were using. They would round robin the ships while they're shooting it, trying to catch it on fire. So our job was just kind of like a police force, if you will.
US warships have been joined by naval vessels from Britain, Italy, Holland, Belgium and France. They've been escorting commercial shipping through the dangerous waters of the Gulf, running the gauntlet often of Iranian revolution. Belgium and France. They've been escorting commercial shipping through the dangerous waters of the Gulf, running the gauntlet often of Iranian Revolutionary Guards, manning small speedboats with rocket-propelled grenades.
By chance, on the 3rd of July 1988, Rudy was hitching a ride back to port in Bahrain